Hey friends, what is happening? Hey guys! No, I'm not doing hey guys, I hate it. Hey, what's good people? My name's Mima, I'm 29 and welcome to my 30 before 30 channel. From the 1st of January until the 27th of July, which is my birthday, there are around 30 weeks before my 30th birthday. So each week I'm going to post a video of 30 things that I want to do before I turn 30. This week's challenge, that was very loud. This week's challenge is baking donuts. Fun fact, I hate bacon. Like, I actually hate bacon. I don't know why people do it. I find it stressful. I don't really understand why someone would spend 4 hours in the kitchen baking something when you can just go to like Greg's or Tesco and buy it yourself. Anyways, I've decided to do this. I'm sure some of you are thinking, if you hate bacon so much, why are you baking?
No, but I do want to know what possessed you to put the hat on top of your head like that.
It's a good question. I do not know, but I do love donuts. Donuts is my favorite baked good, and instead of me always trying to look for a donut whenever I'm in London, I thought it would just make sense for me to learn how to do it and make it myself. So wish me luck. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. Last time I baked a good, I baked cupcakes and the inside was uncooked. So let's see.
Handheld electric mixer. You'll see this dough is quite sticky and soft. This is how you want it to be. Do not be tempted to add extra flour.
Whew. Lord Jesus. Okay.
When making bread, it's very inexpensive.
Oh my God.
You're getting one, especially if you love bread. Like I said, the dough is soft and elastic. Usually all enriched doughs have this flexible area though, and you're going to cover it well using a cloth wrap or
For the record, I started doing all of this at 11 o'clock in the morning. It is now 20 to 8.
8 hours? Girl, you were making basic ring donuts, not a 10-tiered cake.
Like, there are no words. Now, can you understand why I hate doing this so much? I can't even. 9 hours of baking something I could just buy. It blows my mind. But anyways, I'm back. I don't even know how this is looking, but we'll keep on going. This cannot be right. This cannot be right. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm finished. Thank goodness. It has literally taken me all day to bake these. I started in the kitchen at 11 a.m. It is now nearly 8:30. I'm not 100% satisfied with them, but considering this is my first time ever baking a donut, it's not too bad. I'm gonna try it. They're not bad. They're very doughy. The glaze is really thin, but you can taste the sugar on it. It reminds me of the donuts that you would get from the seaside. But they're not bad. They're not bad. Oh my god, is it uncooked? Oh well.
Are you people still here? Well, you might as well make yourself useful and like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I guess I'll see you here next week. Bye.